Top cat grooming tools you need. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide valuable insights into cat care and grooming. In this video, we'll discuss the essential cat grooming tools that every cat owner needs to keep their feline friend healthy, happy, and well-groomed. Whether you're a seasoned cat enthusiast or a new pet parent, these tools will make your cat's grooming routine a breeze. 1. The importance of cat grooming. Cat grooming is not just about making your pet look good, it's about maintaining their overall health and well-being. Regular grooming helps prevent matting, reduces shedding, and strengthens your bond with your furry companion. 2. Cat grooming tools, a comprehensive guide. Now, let's delve into the must-have cat grooming tools that will make your life easier as a cat owner. Cat brush. One of the essential tools for keeping your cat's coat in top condition. Regular brushing removes loose fur and prevents hairballs. Choose the right brush for your cat's coat type, whether it's short or long. Cat shampoo. Use a gentle, cat-specific shampoo to keep your cat clean. Never use human shampoos, as they can be harsh on your cat's skin. Follow our tips on how to give your cat a stress-free bath. Cat nail clippers. Trimming your cat's claws is vital for their comfort and safety. Learn the proper technique to avoid injuring your pet. Cat toothbrush and toothpaste. Dental care is often overlooked but is crucial for your cat's health. Brushing your cat's teeth regularly can prevent dental issues. Cat comb. Combs help remove tangles and mats in your cat's fur. Regular combing can reduce shedding and prevent skin problems. 3. Using cat grooming tools safely. It's important to use these tools correctly and safely to avoid harming your cat. Be gentle and patient, and always reward your cat for good behavior during grooming sessions. 4. Where to find the best cat grooming tools. You can find high-quality cat grooming tools at your local pet store or online retailers. Look for trusted brands and read reviews to ensure you're getting the best products for your feline friend. Investing in the right cat grooming tools is an investment in your cat's health and happiness. With the proper tools and knowledge, you can keep your cat looking and feeling their best. Remember that regular grooming sessions also provide an excellent opportunity to bond with your beloved pet. For more cat care tips and informative videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This concludes our article on the top cat grooming tools you need. We hope you found it informative and helpful for maintaining your cat's well-being. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. In this video, what tools do you need to groom your cat? What do cats need for grooming? What tools do you need for a cat? What is the best tool for grooming matted fur in cats? We tried to answer your questions.